Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of one of the most unique coastal birds in North America, the black skimmer. With their bold black and white plumage and bright orange bills, these birds are unmistakable. But what really sets them apart is how they feed, gliding just above the water, with their lower beak slicing the surface, skimming for fish. It's an incredible sight to witness. And right here in Sarasota, Florida, Lido Beach becomes a vital nesting ground for black skimmers every year from June through August. It's one of the few places where you can observe entire colonies raising their young right along the shoreline, a real treat for bird lovers and photographers alike. In this video, I'm sharing some of my favorite photos of these amazing birds captured during their nesting season on Lido Beach. Whether you're into wildlife photography or just curious about coastal bird life, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more nature and travel photography content coming soon. Let's get into it.